Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crafting Corner. It's Jamar. And today I'll be showing you how to make a craft stick bird feeder, which looks like this. As you can see, some of the sticks are colored, and you can do that too. And I will show you how to do that in the video. With the bird feeder, the food will go inside here, and the bird will sit right here. The supplies you are going to need for the bird feeder are 22 popsicle sticks and yarn, markers, and glue. You can use Elmer's glue or tacky glue. Tacky glue and Elmer's glue are different because tacky glue is thicker, but it dries faster. Elmer's glue, it's looser, but it takes a little longer to dry. Now we can begin with our craft. Take our yarn and our popsicle sticks out, just like this. We're going to take 6 sticks and lay them together, just like this. And you can take 2 other sticks to line them up, just like this. Make sure all your sticks are lined. I'll be using tacky glue. Now you can take your glue and run a line down the side, just like this. And take your stick, make sure all your sticks are straight still, and take your stick and put it down just like this. Making sure all your sticks are still straight. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take your glue. Tacky glue is thicker, so you may have to squeeze a little harder. Squeeze. Make a nice line down all the sticks. Make sure your sticks are still touching. And place your stick down. So now you should have 6 sticks on the bottom and 2 sticks on top of your 6. And now we will take our next 2 sticks like this on top. Take your glue just like this. Make sure you keep your tacky glue sitting upside down. Now take your next 2 sticks and place them on top, just like this. And you can use 2 popsicle sticks to make sure all your sticks are staying aligned. Now we're going to take our next 2 sticks and lay them this way. Squeeze your glue on top. Tacky glue is a little thicker. You gotta squeeze a little harder. Just like that. There we go. And now we're going to take our next sticks and lay them on top, just like this. Making sure our sticks are even, we can use our other sticks to do so. And now we're going to continue doing that, stacking our sticks the opposite way until we reach the top. Adding our glue. Now we're going to take our glue, we're going to continue. You can also use this glue. Make sure it stays upside down. This glue is clogged, so I'm going to switch. Make sure our glue is open. Then we'll take a dot. And then we'll go just like this as we did before. Take our stick, place them down, and now we will continue. Put a dot of glue on each side. As you can see, this glue is runnier, so it flows easy. And now we'll take our sticks, lay them on top. Just like that. We can take our other sticks to make sure they're aligned. And now we will take a dot with glue on each end. Just like this, and place our sticks down. Now we have our last 4 sticks. We are going to stop here and we are going to color these 4 sticks. The colors I am going to choose are green and blue. So you will color the top of the stick just like this. You can also color the sides of the stick too. You want to do 2 sticks of each color. Just like that. And now I'll do my blue sticks. You can color your sticks whichever color you would like. Color the sides of your stick. And I did forget about the bird perch or mines. Make sure you color the sides of your sticks. You may get mark on your fingers if the sticks are still wet. So my assistant is going to toss me one now. You can also color your bird perch. I'm going to color mine orange. You can do the same thing with the bird perch, color the sides and the whole stick. With the bird perch, you may want to color the bottom too. So now what we would do is insert our perch. We're going to add a little glue in the center. On the bottom part where we put the food, and slide our stick in between the bottom two and press down just like this to insert our perch. Now our perch is inserted. You can press down so that it sticks better. And you only have to put the perch up to like the third or the fourth stick so that it's in there very well. Just like this. Now we will continue building the rest of our bird feeder. I'm gonna take my 2 blue sticks, add glue on the corners like we did before. Place our 2 blue sticks down. And now before we finish building with our last 2 sticks, we are gonna take our yarn and measure so we can tie our yarn. So you may want to move your bird feeder out the way. If your stick is not sticking well, you can use the tacky glue under it. Just like this. Now we're going to measure our yarn. You want to have 2 equal sizes. So you can take your length of your yarn, just like this, and fold it in half. I also forgot to tell you guys we need scissors. So my assistant will toss me some scissors. And now we can cut our yarn just like that. You should have 2 pieces of yarn that are the same size. We will take 1 piece and make a knot. Now we are going to tie a knot around our stick, just like this. You can place the stick down if you have to. And just make 2 knots around the stick. Not too far to the edge and not too far to the center. You can do 2 to 3 knots to make it more secure so that your knot won't come untied. Your knot should look like this. I'll push mine down. And now we are going to do the same thing with our other stick to attach it. We're going to take our string and tie 2 knots around the stick. If you want to tie a 3rd knot, So now we are going to do the same thing we did with the first 2 sticks to the same 2 sticks with the other piece of string. Take our string, go under the stick, and make 2 knots on the stick, just like so. And you can readjust your knot on your stick when you're finished tying. And now we're going to do that one more time. Make our knot, make our first knot, pull it tightly, then make our second knot. Just like this, and pull that tightly. And it should look like this before gluing. So now we will take our 2 sticks and attach it to our bird feeder by using our glue like we did before. And we will take each stick and lay one down just like this. Make sure your strings are in the center a little bit so that your sticks lay flat. And you can press down and then attach your last stick just like so. And this is what your bird feeder will look like. I'm not going to pick mine up because it's still wet and drying, but it will look like this. Your food will go inside here, and the bird can sit right here. And you can hang it from a tree. Thank you for joining us for another craft. Hope you come back for more. Bye.